we've got this exam question on earth geometry. All right, so the first question here, they're asking us to calculate the difference in latitude between W and Y. So where is W? W is right here, Y is over here. So which line are we dealing with? It's a longitude. This is a longitude that we're dealing with. So we're talking about this longitude. So the difference from here, this is where Y is and W is right here. So we follow the longitude and then we check the latitudes that are cutting this longitude. So here it's 30 degrees, here it's 80 degrees. So we're going to say theta, this is a sign that we use when finding the difference. Theta is equal to 80 degrees plus 30 degrees. Don't put the sides, south, north, no. Just get 80 plus 30. So this is the latitude, 80 plus, 80 here plus 30. But why are we adding here? This is because this 30 is to the south side, while 80 is to the north side. Okay, so the sides are different. We have got north, south, we add. But if it was south, south, we subtract, or north, north, we subtract. In other ways, same sides we subtract, different sides we add. So when we add 80 plus 30, automatically we'll get 110 degrees. And this is our solution for question 1. So now let's look at question 2. So for question 2, the question reads, calculate the distance in nautical miles between A, X, and Z along the latitude 105 degrees. So we know that X is right here and Z is right here, or Z is right here. So the theta will be the same because the distance is from X to Z is the same as, it will be the same as from, not really the same, but should I say the theta will be the same from here to here and here to here, because we have the same latitude here and the same latitude here. So we are going to use the formula. Let me write the formula. Whenever you see that the distance that you are finding is along the longitude, this is the longitude here, we use the formula which looks like this. Distance, okay, between X and Z is equal to theta over 360 degrees times 2 pi capital R. So this is the formula we are supposed to use. So what is our theta? Our theta will be equal to 110. So 110 degrees over 360 degrees times 2 times pi we've been given here, it's 3.142. So that's 3.142 times R. Our R here, it's in nautical miles. Remember, nautical miles, NM. So our R this time around, it's 3437, like this, okay? So after writing those, we punch on our calculator 110 times 2 times 3.142 times 3437. So we are getting when we punch, we're getting a 2,345,791.88. So let's write 2,375,791.88. Okay. Then we say over 360 degrees. So when we punch on our calculator, we are getting our answer to be equal to 6,599.421889. So this is where people make mistakes. When you see they have said nautical miles, so the difference here will just be we put nm, but if they have said kilometers, you put km. This is nautical miles, you put nm, the units, to show that you're dealing with the nautical miles. You can leave your answer right here, or if you want, you can write it in 3 significant figures, of which it will just be like this. This is our final answer. Okay, so we now go to the next question. So for question 2b, right here, so they're saying calculate the distance in nautical miles between x and between y and z along the circle of latitude 30 degrees south. This is S, south. Okay, so let's check on the diagram here where y and z. So y is right here, z is here. So this is the distance that we are calculating. Okay, so first thing first, we need to find the theta. Okay, like we did here, you see the theta between w and y. So we need to find the theta between y and z. So to find the theta, we're going to say theta is equal to, okay, 15 degrees plus 105 degrees. So this would be equal to 120 degrees. This is our theta. So the theta, which is right here and here, this is the difference from here to here. This is the difference from here to here is the same. So what is here to here is the same as what is here to here. Okay, so that's how it is. And why are we adding? Because we have got the theta that is happening along the latitude here, and there is this longitude which is cutting here and here. This is 105 degrees east, and this is 15 degrees west. So west, east are different. We're supposed to add. Okay, so after finding the value of theta, okay, we now come to our question, which is right here. And since it's happening along the latitude, the formula will be distance between y and z is equal to theta over 360 degrees times 2 pi capital R cos x. So you see the difference. Here there was no cos x. Here there is cos x. Why do we put cos x here? This is because the distance that we are finding, it's happening along the what? Along the latitude. If it's along the latitude, we use cos x. If it's along the longitude, these longitudes, we don't put cos x. So now, what is our theta? So our theta, we just found it to be equal to 120 degrees over 360 degrees times 2 times pi. We've been given that's 3.142 times 3437. That is our R we've been given, times cos x is 30 degrees. So x is always the latitude in which this distance is happening. So the latitude in which it is happening, it's 30 degrees. If it was here, we could have put 80 as our x. But now it's happening on the latitude, which is 30 degrees. So after putting this information in our formula, we punch on our calculator and make sure your calculator is in degrees. So 120 times 2 times 3.142 times 3437 times cos 30 degrees. This is automatically giving us what? It's giving us 224454 1.224. Then we divide by 360 degrees. Of course, we are getting a 6 2 3 4.8 3 6 7 3 4 nautical miles. So if we want, we can write our answer in 3 significant figures, which will just be like this. So this is our solution. Thank you so much for watching. You can please join our online classes if you want to learn more mathematics with us, science, biology, civic education, and commerce. So the number that you can WhatsApp is right here. This is the number 0969 17 57 01. So you WhatsApp this number, will tell you the information that you need to follow in order for us to add you to our online classes. Thank you and bye-bye.